Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, and I don't mean to state the obvious here, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But overall, a very nice bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, yet managed to get its way self back up to there. Now, of course, the price still has a lot more work to be done, but my core point here is that from where it was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, that was a nice, respectable bounce, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $4 mark. Why is $4 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but one potential scenario is that the price comes down here to 4 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress, again, being defined as that $4 mark. If there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside and more follow through, next key roadblock to watch very closely going to be right up there at $4.30. Then also watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Irrelevant right now, but still a bit of ways away. But all in all, nice bounce today. Now going forward, it's definitely just a question of can the price continue to build upon this upwards momentum. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.